Little English World! Vehicles for kids! Hello, little learners! Today, we are going to learn 20 different vehicles in English. We have cars, fire trucks, rockets, and more. 20 names and fun sounds. For each vehicle, we learn the name and the sound. Ready? Let's go! Vroom, vroom. Number 1, car. Can you say it? Car. A car goes vroom, vroom. Number 2, bus. The bus goes honk, honk. Number 3, truck. Honk goes rumble, rumble.
Number 4, train.
The train goes choo-choo. Number 5, airplane. Airplane. The airplane goes whoosh. The helicopter goes whoop. Number 7, boat. The boat goes splash, splash.
Number 8, ship.
The ship goes honk. Number 9, motorcycle. Motorcycle. The motorcycle goes vroom, noom. Number 10, bicycle. Bicycle. The bicycle goes ring, ring. Great job, little learners. Give yourself a big clap. Now let's go faster.
Number 11, fire truck.
The fire truck goes wee-oo, wee-oo.
Number 12, police car.
The police car goes woo, 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 woo. Number 13, ambulance. Ambulance. The ambulance goes bee-baw, bee-baw. Number 14, tractor. Tractor. The tractor goes putt, putt, putt.
Number 15, excavator. Excavator.
The excavator goes dig, dig, dig. Whoa! The next vehicle goes under the water. Number 16, submarine. The submarine goes under the water, water, gloop, gloop. And now, what goes all the way up into space? Number 17, rocket. Number 18, taxi, taxi. The taxi goes beep, beep.
Number 19, bulldozer. Bulldozer.
The bulldozer goes grrr. Push.
Number 6, helicopter. Helicopter.
1, blast off. The rocket goes zoom. And the last one, number 20. School bus.
The school bus takes children to school. Honk, honk. Bye-bye.
Wow! You did it! You learned 20 vehicles in English. Car, bus, truck, train, airplane, helicopter, boat, ship, motorcycle, bicycle, fire truck, police car, ambulance, tractor, excavator, submarine, rocket, taxi, bulldozer, school bus. Now, are you ready to sing? The car on the road goes vroom, vroom, vroom. The bus on the street goes honk, 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 goes honk, honk, honk. The train on the track goes choo, choo, choo. The airplane in the sky goes whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. The fire truck rushes by, wee ooh, rushes by, wee ooh, wee ooh. The rocket in space goes zoom, 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 zoom. The school bus carries kids, honk, honk, honk. Boat goes splash, ship goes honk, submarine goes gloop, helicopter whoop. Motorcycle noom, bicycle ring, taxi beep beep, truck rumble sing. Tractor putt, excavator dig, bulldozer push, sirens big. All through the town, all through the town. Yay! That was so much fun! What a great singer you are! Okay, little geniuses, it's quiz time! Question 1. Listen. Vroom, vroom. What vehicle is this? It's a car! Well done! Question 2. What vehicle flies like this? It's a helicopter! Great job!
Question 3. What red vehicle makes this sound?
It's a fire truck! Yay! Yay!
Question 4. What goes up into space? 3, 2, 1.
It's a rocket! Block it! Blast off! Question 5. What goes on the water? It's a boat! Splish splash! Question 6. What goes under the water?
Excellent!
Bonus round! 3 vehicles at once! First sound, choo-choo! It's a train!
Second sound, whoosh!
It's an airplane! Third sound, honk honk, school bus! 3 out of 3! You're a vehicle genius!
Wow! You learned 20 vehicles in English today.
What was your favorite vehicle? The fast rocket? The loud fire truck? The big ship? Tell me in the comments! Yay! Don't forget to like this video! Subscribe to Little English World for more fun English learning videos every week! Next video, body parts! See you next time, friends! Bye-bye!
Keep learning, keep smiling. Goodbye! Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye-bye, little learners!
Great job today!